So here's how you can delete all videos on the iPad at once. Let's get started. If you are new on Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, basically, you can browse all of your photos and videos mixed in together inside of the library. However, when you go to the collections, you can browse some individual folders and stuff like that, right? But if you go to the bottom, you can find the media types. And this can separate your stuff in the Photos app to like selfies, live photos, portraits, screenshots, and also videos. So you go to your videos like that and you can browse all of your videos as usual, right? So you can click on select, tap on a select all, and you can literally just work with all of your videos, right? So photos are not affected. You're only working with videos and you can now delete them, tap on the trash, or perhaps even click on share and upload it to some kind of Google Drive or whatever you're using, right? But whatever you need to do, this is how you can select them. So if you want to delete, tap on trash, and the photos, the videos only will be moved to the recently deleted folder. In there, you can confirm the deletion once again or wait the 30 days, after which the videos will be permanently deleted forever. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.